The first step in installing the H-force is to remove the older sealed beam unit. The headlight ring that covers the headlamp unit is attached with a single screw at the bottom of the unit. Remove this screw and the cover should simply slide off. The sealed beam assembly is attached to the car by 4 screws. As you remove each one, be careful that they don't fall into the bucket. They can easily escape into the drain hole at the bottom. Installation of the H4 is pretty much a snap. Simply remove the old sealed unit and assembly and place in the new H4s. The harness plugs directly into the bulb, which is supported within the assembly. Make sure you don't touch the glass surfaces of the bulbs with your fingers. It can cause hot spots and diminish the life expectancy of the bulb. This photo shows the final H4 assembly installed. It has the chrome ring on the assembly. You can buy primered rings to paint match the body color if you don't want the chrome rim showing. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.